Whether you're staying indoors or finally stepping back outside, you may be wondering if now is the right time to tackle those overdue repair and remodeling projects. Experts with Window World, America's largest replacement window and exterior remodeling company, say now is the perfect time to get started on exterior home remodeling projects. Most locally owned Window World locations remain in full operation during the COVID-19 pandemic, considered essential business in most regions. Remodeling projects like installing replacement windows typically begin several weeks after the initial consultation, since it takes time to order the products. Josh Watson with Window World of Raleigh explains how he meets with potential clients interested in starting a new project.
We built a virtual showroom here in our building so we can get, be able to showcase our products and give them a good understanding of what it is we can accomplish for them.
If you're uncomfortable with technology or you'd prefer not to use video conferencing to perform your consultation, you can invite a design consultant to visit your house and talk to you over the phone while he or she remains outside and inspects your home's exterior. But a Window World team member doesn't need to come to your home until after you receive a free quote and sign your contract. That's when someone will come to take professional measurements. Brad Alla with Window World of the Low Country in Charleston, South Carolina, explains which projects homeowners should start right now.
Now is really a great time to tackle an exterior remodeling project. Vinyl siding, shutters, gutters, garage doors, new windows. These are great projects to do now because the work is mainly done from the exterior, which means then that we can keep you and your family safe as the workers perform the tasks outside.
Save projects that require extensive work inside your home for later, like remodeling your kitchen or a bathroom. Instead, focus on exterior home projects, which you can do safely with the help of Window World. Window World President Steve Camedy explains.
Window World has been there for its consumers first and foremost for the last 25 years. We're going to come out the back end of this crisis, still being there, servicing our customers with their safety and well-being, taken first and foremost into account. But at the end of the day, Window World is America's largest exterior remodeler. We improve homes, we change lives.
It's possible, safe, and easy to give your home a fresh new look while you're stuck inside. Visit windowworld.com to get a free quote today.